In today's video, I'm giving you a complete print-on-demand tutorial. I'll walk you through taking you from the initial idea of starting a print-on-demand business to making your first sales, and covering every step. Honestly, this could be a full course, but I'm giving it to you for free here on YouTube. I'll share the tools, strategies, and even the AI techniques I've learned over the years. All I ask is that if you find this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Let's get started by answering a key question. What is print-on-demand? It's a business model where you create designs, then upload them to platforms like Amazon. And when someone orders, the platform takes care of printing, shipping, and customer service. All you need to do is create and upload the designs. Everything else is handled for you. It's a fantastic passive income opportunity. What's great is that you don't need to worry about advertising or driving traffic because platforms like Amazon bring customers to you. It might sound too good to be true, but it works. Beyond Amazon, I'll also show you other platforms to upload your designs for even more exposure. There are two types of print-on-demand: passive and active. Passive is where platforms handle everything for you. This is what I recommend and what this tutorial focuses on. Active print-on-demand, on the other hand, involves creating your own website, managing customer service, and driving your own traffic. In my experience, the passive route is far more enjoyable and scalable. When starting out, choose a niche based on your hobbies or passions to keep things fun and engaging. To find design ideas, I like using Etsy for inspiration. Just search for your niche and see what's trending. But I also use tools like Merch Informer, which is a game changer. This tool helps you identify profitable sub-niches within a broader topic that aren't oversaturated. It saves so much time and effort. There's plenty of opportunity out there, and with the strategies and tools I'll share, you'll be set up for success. Let's jump in and get started. Here's the rundown of how I approach finding and creating t-shirt designs for print-on-demand, and trust me, it's simpler than it sounds. You may need to look for unsaturated products by digging deeper for untapped opportunities. For instance, while many designs cater to men, there aren't nearly as many for women. This is exactly what I mean by identifying low-competition sub-niches. If you create designs tailored to gaps in a niche, you'll likely stand out because the market isn't crowded. Next comes brainstorming slogans. I use ChatGPT for this, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. It's a free AI tool that feels like chatting with a virtual assistant. I just ask it to generate ideas, like interesting t-shirt quotes for women or slogans that are based on my niche, and within seconds, I have a list. If you don't love the first batch, you can refine your request or ask for a longer list. AI makes brainstorming so much faster and more creative than doing it alone. But here's the critical step. You must check these slogans for copyright or trademark issues. That's where a tool like Merch Informer comes in. It has a feature called Trademark Alerts that lets you paste your slogans, check for existing protections, and get peace of mind before moving forward. If a phrase shows a red flag, skip it. Trust me, it's not worth risking your account. Now, with your safe and catchy slogans, it's time to create the designs. Don't worry if you're not a graphic designer. Neither am I. I use a tool called placeit.net, which has thousands of customizable t-shirt design templates. You can adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to make each design unique. The best part? Everything on Placeit is copyright-free, so you don't have to worry about fonts or graphics causing issues later. Once you have your templates, the key is volume. This strategy ensures you dominate a low-competition gap and gives buyers plenty of choices, increasing the odds they'll pick one of your designs. That's essentially my process step by step. Find a niche, brainstorm ideas with AI, verify for copyright, and design using professional tools. With this method, you're set up to succeed in print-on-demand. I like using Placeit, and you can choose your templates which are simple and effective. Once in the editor, you can replace the default text in the template with any phrase. Even if pasting doesn't work smoothly, typing it manually does the job. The design updates instantly as you input the text, making adjustments super easy. Placeit has pre-designed graphics, but you can switch them out by searching for other free-to-use options in the editor. You can also tweak fonts and colors from a variety of free, copyright-safe options. One crucial step for t-shirt designs is to remove the background color by selecting the transparent option. ensuring only the design gets printed. After finishing the design, you can download it as a high-quality PNG file. This format is essential for print-on-demand platforms because it maintains the design's clarity and resolution. Once the design is saved, the next step is uploading it to platforms like TeePublic, Redbubble, or Amazon Merch on Demand. These sites handle marketing and sales, bringing millions of visitors each month. Setting up an account is straightforward, and enabling off-site marketing options can increase visibility without additional costs. After verifying your account, you upload designs and add a title, description, and tags. Placeit designs are usually optimized for apparel, so while they won't work for wall art, they're perfect for t-shirts. Once everything is uploaded, your design is ready for sale, and the platform takes care of the rest. You can repeat this process to upload multiple designs across different platforms for maximum reach. To create a title for a print-on-demand design on platforms like TeePublic, Amazon Merch, or Redbubble, you can let the system auto-add t-shirt at the end of your title where appropriate. However, platforms like TeePublic handle it automatically, so you don't have to add it manually. For the description, copy and paste your text while making small edits. For example, capitalize the product name and ensure the description mentions who it's intended for. This approach helps maintain keyword ranking while creating an appealing description. TeePublic's interface simplifies this by suggesting relevant tags. Tags help the platform categorize your design for the right audience. When setting up colors, match them to the design's visibility. For instance, light-colored designs should only be available on dark apparel, and vice versa. TeePublic allows you to set a default color and offers a convenient system for adjusting available colors. However, on other platforms, this might require manual tweaks. As for additional products like mugs or stickers, I avoid enabling them because they often require heavy adjustments, and they don't sell as frequently as apparel. This saves time and focuses on the primary profit generators: t-shirts and other clothing items. After setting everything up, review your designs to ensure they fit correctly within the display area for each item. Adjust the scale if necessary. Finally, submit the listing for publication. TeePublic automatically handles pricing and promotions, while platforms like Amazon Merch and Redbubble allow you to set your profit margin, which typically ranges for t-shirts. Payments are processed monthly through PayPal or direct deposit. Once a design is live, the process becomes repeatable across multiple platforms. The more designs you upload, the greater your chances of earning. This business model is accessible worldwide and can be managed entirely online. This summary encapsulates my step-by-step process to kickstart a print-on-demand business effortlessly. Well, that sums it up, guys. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.